it up, oh, and if you fold it up, hey, Tamina, mina, sangalewa, cause this is Africa. Tamina, mina, hey, waka, waka, hey, Tamina, mina, sangalewa, this time for Africa.
It is better to enjoy life, committing mistakes and learn, rather than playing safe in your entire life and learn nothing at all. Good evening to each and everyone. My name is Casey Mendoza. But tonight, this is a pageant. Please do allow me to stand by the name of my one and only favorite, ang nag-iisang Diyosa ng gabing ito. Diyos sa tierra, Diyos sa agwa, Diyos sa cielo. Ang babaeng kasakasama nyo sa kanyang show na Your Show, Your Time, It's Showtime. At ang babaeng nagpatibok sa pihikang puso ni Ginoong Samuel B. Opo, ako nga po, si Binibining Ann Curtis, na nag-iiwan po ng mga katagang, hindi bali na pong ako'y mabugbog, matikman ko lamang ang inyong mga hotdog. Thank you.
Listen to your life, this is our motto, your time to shine, no way.